Hello, vintage automotive fans. This is T Mike here in South Louisiana. I'm making another video today. Today's video is on a barrel test on restore number 115, 1958 18 horsepower FD12 from Mike in New York. This thing is a beautiful, beautiful restore. It's been a great pleasure to work on and put together, and now I got it running and dialed in perfect. This is a warm start. I've been running her, so let's see if she starts. Starts all right, but the rewind starter got jacked up. Let's try that again. I mean, she runs great. I'll have to give it a little bit more WD-40 on this rewind starter. I think it's fine. So when you're running these motors, there's a mark right there on the magneto plate. If you can get them to idle down past that mark is the last point that it should idle. If you can get them to idle down past that, like this one does, you're doing good. It's got a stop screw right here to get it to idle down as slow as you can, and this one passes the test. Let's give her another run. I like it, dialed in, runs good. Still got the control panel to put on, the silencer, a few rubber parts, and she'll be ready for a body test. Hope y'all enjoyed it. See y'all next video. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Here at T Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Au revoir mes amis, and laissez les bon temps rouler.